How to edit a PDF on your laptop. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily edit any PDF on your laptop without external software. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. As you guys can see here, I have this random PDF on my desktop. So to edit this, what you're going to have to do is first open a Word document, or you could just right click on it and then click on show more option or open with, and then here you could choose another app and you could open it with the Word right here. So I'm just going to do that right now. Now it will convert this entire PDF into a editable Word document, so you're just going to click on OK. And as you can see here, it has opened into a Word document. So what I'm going to do here is simply delete this entire first paragraph so that it looks like I've edited it. And then what you're going to do now is head over to Files and then click on Save As, and then choose the Word document as PDF. So I'm just going to browse through here, save it on the desktop. Like so. Let me just add one here so it does not it's not as same as this one. So once you've done that, choose your file type as PDF and then click on save. Now as you can see, this has been saved as a new PDF and the entire first paragraph is gone. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.